We divide 531 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 3 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 1 and it is 31. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 531 divided by 5 is 106 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.